have one.
No, I don't have one.
What is it, Megan?
Uncle.
You can see the paper on top? In the lid. Look at the paper on the lid.
Who gave me this?
Mama.
It's really strawberry shortcake.
What is it?
Wow, Eliana! Strawberry shortcake?
Oh my goodness, Eliana.
This is for you?
Like it?
Or for me?
There's
for
something
you?
else in there.
She got it.
You and I
She
can
said
build
she saw
some.
it. Eliana,
Yeah.
it's right there. Your bag. Look
And
at
your
your
dad
bag.
too.
Eliana, look. What does that say on there?
What's this?
Strawberry shortcake.
What's this say?
Strawberry shortcake.
No, it has an E. Who has an E?
L-I-A-N-A.
Eliana. To make a blanket.
It says Eliana.
It's to make
Make
a...
a blanket with your Gigi?
Can you open my
No way.